Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband, Bob, and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Oh, I said it before you.
That's okay.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Well, we were done with the other video, and we're like, we usually do two, but that was a longer video. And I'm like, okay, we're done. And then we thought, no, we're not done. We've got to show some stuff that we picked up within the past week. You're the one who picked these up, weren't you?
For the last week or two.
Yeah, last week or two. So, and they're just little cookies that I've never had. I had never seen before. So this is new to me. So maybe I'm just last to find out.
But we're trying for you. So we're going to try some variations on Maria biscuits today. But after our last video, when we tasted these, somebody recommended putting butter on a Maria biscuit.
Thank you.
And that really has renewed our love of, we've liked them anyway. But
we've always liked them anyway. But now with a little bit of butter on it, so good.
Particularly the green packaged ones from San Miguel.
Yes. Yeah, those are.
Which aren't as sweet as the ones from the mainland.
No, opposite. You've got an opposite.
I don't think so.
Yes, it's sweeter. The one is sweeter, I think, from the vanilla flavor in it. Whatever. Butter. A little bit of butter. I mean.
If you're on a health kick, it's the right thing to do.
Yeah. So, but thank you guys. See, we do listen and we do read all the comments that you send us.
If you aren't familiar with the Maria biscuits, it's a thin little digestive
biscuit.
If you've never tried one, think of like a Nilla wafer, kind of. Nilla wafer adjacent.
Yeah.
Adjacent.
Yeah. Or an arrowroot biscuit, something like that.
They're good with tea, they're good with coffee.
Good English biscuit kind of thing. Yeah. So Bob goes to the grocery store and he comes back with all of these goodies.
Oh, yeah.
And the funny thing is this, you were at a local market. It wasn't
regular grocery store.
Yeah, in the international aisle. It was in the international aisle.
Kind of our own local Epcot.
No, not at all. So he comes
you
home.
See some of the characters.
Well, that's a whole other story. So
I came home with cookies mainly from the Hispanic section.
Yeah, because it's like Portuguese. Oh, that's true. Because the Portuguese one, you did not find it there. You found this in the
Hispanic.
And the Hispanic one, with the exception of this one. This one was made in Portugal.
Right.
But the other ones are all made in Spain.
So the first thing I found.
Look
at this. It's mini Maria cookies.
Mini ones.
They are the cutest little things.
All I know is I want to know.
Look at this. Tiny.
It's like the cutest tiny little thing. And I'm like, why doesn't the Maria Biscuit Factory in the Azores make little mini ones? Or if they already do, I'm not aware of it.
We have to lock these up.
Oh, we do. It's so good.
These are quite popular with the kids.
Oh, they're so good. They're like they're like teeny tiny size. It's like perfect for okay. Oh. Mm-hmm.
So then I found Toradas.
Torada.
And these are toasted.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't tried these.
We haven't tried them yet. The Maria ones we have tried before, because when he came home, he's like, look, mini ones. And I'm like, I know we want to open this in front of people and we want to show it for the first time, us doing it. But with that one, I had to open first. Oh, thank you. Oh, there's almost like a cinnamon.
Oh, my. Oh. This tastes like.
Oh, what is this? It's delicious, number one.
Oh, man. What are those cookies? Like the little biscuits that you get on the Delta planes.
No. I'm thinking windmills.
Windmills without the almonds.
Yes. Windmill cookies. I'm like, where have I had something like this before?
I love windmill.
I know you do. That's why we can't have it in the house. You'd be eating the whole thing all the time.
Guilty.
Yeah, I know. So, but, wow. Wow, that's good.
Another thing that we're going to need to lock up. I brought the cookies. Where are the beverages today? I could use a little bit of milk.
I'm still enjoying this one. Oh, that's real good.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, show it again. You see it?
Toradas.
Yeah, it's good.
Now we're looking at the country of origin. They appear to be Spanish, but there's also Portuguese contact numbers as well. So I don't know what that's all about.
No, I don't either.
We're not getting paid.
We're trying. Yeah, we're trying to see exactly where they're made, and that one was hard to look at to find. Oh, this one is also Goya.
Goya. Hey,
Oh,
hey,
what happened?
the crumbs.
Oh, sorry.
Now you have to vacuum. The
Sorry.
studio's a mess.
The studio's a mess. So this one is...
Bill bounced around.
Oh, I must have. It's a little sandwich. So they're sandwich cookies, and it's 2 vanilla Maria biscuits with chocolate in the middle. How is it? Oh, okay. We haven't tried this.
It's a little bit sweet.
Oh, that's good. I like it's dark chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Well, but I kind of like the Torada.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe because that was such a flavorful one. Now this one is literally vanilla and chocolate.
I wonder how these would be in your no-churn ice cream.
That would be delicious in the no-churn ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
The Kensington Free, and putting that instead of the Maria biscuits, doing the Maria with a little bit of chocolate.
That'd be really good.
That would be really good. All right.
Really good with a glass of milk.
I'm going to hear this why I didn't have any liquids.
You would have to really love some
any beverages ready
to bring them a glass of milk.
And the last one we're going to try. Is, am I doing this the right way? Yes. And this is made in Portugal. I've never seen this before.
Goodies. For those of you who are listening and not watching.
Yes, they're called goodies. And it looks like a little, like almost, it says it's white chocolate covered cookie.
White chocolate is very divisive amongst people.
Yeah, I'm not a big white chocolate person, so I don't know. How is it? You tell me. I mean, it smells like white chocolate.
I can't tell. I can taste as the chocolate cream one.
Oh, okay. I'm going to take a bite.
Not my favorite.
I think it's because of the white chocolate. Yeah. Sorry for those that like white chocolate.
Well, it's not the white chocolate's fault. I don't think it's... I don't know if there's not enough of it, but not enough flavor to it.
No, there isn't. There isn't. But, again, for those that like white chocolate, this might be the thing for you. Again, very different. I have never seen this before. And this is made in Portugal in the mainland. But I think right now, besides the mini ones that I really like
the Toradas.
The Toradas. I really, really love that. That is good. I'm going to have another one.
You do that.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to have another one.
I'm saving room for supper. So, do you have a recipe for Maria biscuits?
No, I don't.
Could you make?
I guess I'd have to do, there's got to be something for a recipe for Blasha Marias. Somewhere, a Blasha. A Blasha is a cookie. There's going to be like a butter cookie of some sort or whatever. I've never attempted to making Blasha Maria because it never dawned on me like I've got to make homemade Blasha Maria because it's available in the store. Why should I?
And pretty affordable.
And pretty affordable, exactly.
But
so,
I'm curious.
We could look. We could look and check it out. I mean, I don't know. For those of you,
our own flavors.
For those out there, if you have ever made Blasha Maria, if you have or if you know of, let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Send us the deets.
The deets.
The can't say.
We're far from being kids, honey.
Not me. It seems like just yesterday.
It does, but that's how life goes by very quickly. It's not. No. I'm sorry, honey.
Riding my horse to school. Pa'd be waiting for me to get home.
My goodness. All right. We're losing it now.
Which...
We're really losing it now. But no, for me, the clear winner, besides the mini ones, was Torada. How about for you, Swan?
Yeah, I think the same thing. Those minis are terrific. Thank you.
So good.
These really scratch an itch.
They really do.
Mm-hmm. Now I want to go to the store and see if I can find windmills.
But we did. I mean, when we first got married, we'd always get different cookies or in the beginning of and you always wanted windmills. So you always wanted windmills. We'd always buy those. We'd always have those at home. And then finally he was like, don't buy them. Because if you have them at home, I'm going to eat them all. So I don't buy them anymore.
Yeah. Fun fact, when I was in college, working at a convenience store, and they had all the cheap snacks, you could buy a sleeve of windmill cookies for like 50 cents.
Really?
So that was my treat. Every shift was, I'd have to knock the dust off them because it's a convenience store and
no one's touched them.
Nobody else is buying windmills.
No. So that's the scoop. So that was our tasting for today. I know it's quick and short and sweet and
we were hungry and thought the topic was.
We might as well.
Was spot on.
Because now we've got to go make supper.
Now I have to go get some milk.
Yes, that too.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. All right. Well, thanks for putting up with us.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Until next time.
All right.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.